Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this gorgeous Audi A5 2-litre TDI Black Edition Plus Multitronic. Now this vehicle has currently done 57,862 miles and is finished in the colour Daytona Grey. It does come with 2 previous services. It's a very stylish looking coupe. It sits nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels finished in black. You do have the bi-xenon headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. The contrasting black door mirrors are power folding. They automatically fold when you lock the vehicle. Here in the boot you'll find 455 litres of space, which can be increased to 829 with the rear seats down. Here inside to the rear you'll find your gorgeous black leather interior. Both of the rear seats here have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction S-Line branded flat bottom steering wheel. Round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the steering wheel here you've got some controls for adjusting the trip display in the instrument cluster. You have volume controls for the infotainment system to the right. On the trip display here you've got access to your telephone as well as audio. You can also access different trip information. You've got your trip 1, trip 2, and you can also see the range of fuel you have left. At the top of the dashboard you will find your infotainment screen. This is controlled using the dials and buttons here in the center console. The system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio here in the media section. You do have the Audi Music interface, CD player, SD input and Bluetooth. Moving on now, the system does have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places with ease. Moving on now, the vehicle does have the telephone menu where you can pair it with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. In the vehicle menu here you've got access to vehicle settings as well as your driver assist features. These include your rest recommendation, rain sensing wipers. You also have your parking aid with front and rear sensors, which makes parking much easier. You also have a speed warning feature there as well. Underneath the display you'll find your CD player, traction control, parking sensors and start stop system. You also have your automatic dual zone climate control here. You also have heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those cooler days. Your automatic gear selector here in the center console.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.